Watch the complete video patiently to discover some valuable tricks, including 3 different methods to create website shortcuts on your Windows desktop for quick access to sites like Facebook and YouTube, plus a unique alternative to shortcuts. Drag and drop method. Navigate to the website for which you want to create a shortcut, for example this clickable PDF resume CV, which I can also create for you. Drag and drop method works in any web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Resize the browser window so that you can view your desktop. Click and hold the security icon in the address bar, then drag it to your desktop. This action will create a shortcut with an arrow symbol. I created the shortcut from Chrome browser, but after clicking it the PDF opened in Edge browser because Microsoft Edge is set as my default browser. Right-click on the screen to create a new folder. If you prefer to save your website shortcut links in a File Explorer folder, use the same drag and drop method to add your favorite websites to this folder. Clicking any shortcut will quickly open it in the new browser tab. Second method is creating shortcut from browser menu. Suppose I want to create shortcut for this popular Dozro video on YouTube. Open the video. Click on the 3-dot menu in the upper right corner of Google Chrome browser, then go to Cast, Save and Share. Here you can either install the page as an app or simply select the Create Shortcut button. You will have the option to name the shortcut. A shortcut will be instantly added to your desktop screen, along with display of its folder location. Unlike Google Chrome, Edge does not offer the direct option to create shortcuts. Thus, in Microsoft Edge browser, you can utilize the drag and drop method mentioned earlier to place a website shortcut on your screen, for example for saving your favorite YouTube channels or video links. Third method is manual shortcut creation. For example, this is a very long web page on Dozro website. Suppose I like this specific text on the page and want the browser to display directly this portion of the page from the shortcut link. Therefore, I will select the text, then right-click over it and select the Copy Link to Highlight option. To manually create a shortcut for this link, right-click on your desktop screen and select New Shortcut. In the location field, paste the copied URL and click Next. Name your shortcut and click Finish. You can observe that when I click the shortcut link, the browser has directly displayed the specific portion of the page and highlighted the text. You can also use this manual method to copy link of a specific scene in a YouTube video by moving the slider and right-clicking over the video. Moreover, if you like a photo on a website, right-click to copy the image URL and save its shortcut through this manual method. For an alternative but a better method, consider bookmarking websites. Open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or any other browser, and click on the 3-dot menu in the upper right corner. Navigate to the Bookmarks section. In Chrome, enable the Show Bookmarks bar option to display it beneath the address bar. Right-click on any empty space on the bar and create a new folder, which I like to name My Website Shortcuts. Now visit your favorite website and drag the URL or security icon into this bookmarks folder. For demonstration purposes, I have added several websites. You can easily access your bookmarked shortcuts directly from the Chrome browser interface and quickly access shortcut links. Another great option is to keep your favorite websites open all the time in your browser, as I opened around 100 websites in browser. You can also check out my other tutorial where I share how I've managed to keep around 100 websites active in each browser permanently for many years. Please like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel. Master your Windows PC and browsers by checking out my other tutorials. Thank you for watching.